When operating a platform, like a marketplace or a crowdfunding site, you need a payments partner who can handle money flow in all directions. That's where Lemonway steps in, offering specialized payment flows that go far beyond a simple checkout button. Lemonway is a regulated payment institution, and their core service is managing a secure payment account, or e-wallet, for every user on your platform, the buyers, sellers, or investors. This regulated framework is what unlocks the complex payment flows. Let's break down the main categories. First, the pay-in flow, which is how money gets into the system. Customers can fund their e-wallets using a variety of methods, credit and debit cards, including Visa and MasterCard, classic bank transfers, and local payment options like SEPA Direct Debit and even Pay by Bank, which leverages open banking for a smoother experience. The key here is secure collection into segregated accounts, keeping your platform compliant. Second is the internal flow, which is unique to platforms. Once funds are in the system, they are often held in escrow or a temporary technical account. Lemonway's platform then manages the transfer of funds between the user's e-wallets. For a marketplace, this involves collecting money from a buyer, holding it, and then distributing it to the specific seller's e-wallet after deducting any platform commissions. For crowdfunding, this means moving money from an investor's e-wallet into the project creator's e-wallet. This internal transfer system is what allows for complex, multi-party transactions. Finally, the payout flow. This is how funds leave the system and reach the beneficiary's external bank account. Lemonway manages the distribution of funds from the seller or project owner's e-wallet, typically via bank transfer. They even offer a faster payout option, allowing funds to be delivered almost instantly, which is a huge boost for user retention and satisfaction. All these flows, pay-in, internal, and payout, are wrapped in essential compliance checks, including automated Know Your Customer, or KYC, and anti-money laundering, or AML, ensuring every transaction is secure and fully regulated. Lemonway isn't just processing payments, they're providing a full financial ecosystem for your platform.